Welcome back to Lid's Lifestyle. Today I'll be showing you my way or my own version of making coconut shrimp. So this is a recipe I tried the other day and I really like it. It's very tasty and flavorful. So if it's your very first time for watching this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit on the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. Welcome. So today we are gonna use very simple ingredients. So I have about 4 pounds of shrimp. It looks less because I've already washed and removed the shell from the shrimp. So this is 4 pounds of shrimp. I'll need half an onion. This is red onion. I'll need some salt to taste. I'll need red chili pepper. I'll need black pepper. This is about half a teaspoon of black pepper. The red chili is about 1 teaspoon or half a teaspoon. This you can adjust according to your liking. Then I'll need ginger and garlic paste. This is 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. I'll need about 1 teaspoon of turmeric. You can add more for color. This is about 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, coriander seed powder. Then I'll need, of course, coconut milk, and I'll need some yogurt. So first I'm gonna do the marinade. So in the shrimp I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of yogurt. This is plain yogurt, just simple plain yogurt. It's almost done, so I'm just gonna use this, about 2 to 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Then to this I will add turmeric. So I've used half of the turmeric, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna use this other half of the turmeric. So I will mix it up. I'll mix it up with my hand. So I'll add in the red chili pepper. I'll add in some salt. You don't have to put all the salt. You can just adjust according to how much your shrimp is. Then the coriander leaf powder. Then the ginger and garlic paste. So this is how I'm gonna do the marinade. And of course the black pepper. So I'm gonna mix in this with my hand and just marinate the shrimp. Make sure all the shrimp is covered in the marinade. So after you marinate the shrimp, I will cover it with saran wrap, and I'm gonna refrigerate it for about 1 hour. You can even do 30 minutes. So while the shrimp marinates, I'll show you how to do the sauce. So I'm gonna heat up my pot or pan. So I'll use medium heat. I always use medium heat on the Salad Master cookware. So I'll use olive oil. So I'll just use about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'll add in half an onion to this. This is half a large onion. From a large onion, I cut up half of it. So I'll saute the onions. I don't have to brown them. I just want to saute them until they are like translucent in color. So the ingredients for the sauce, I'll need 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. I'll need red chili pepper or red chili powder. This is about half a teaspoon. I'll need about 1 teaspoon of coriander seed powder. I'll need 1 teaspoon of turmeric. This one you can adjust according to how you need the color to be. And then some salt. Then I'm gonna need coconut milk. I'll use 1 can of coconut milk. So after the onion starts to turn color just a little bit, not to brown it, I'll add the ginger and garlic paste. So one of the ingredients that I forgot to, in fact, 2 ingredients that I forgot to mention. I'll need 1 lime, and I'll need tomato paste. But I realized I looked in my pantry and I realized I ran out of tomato paste. You're supposed to use tomato paste. So I have tomato sauce here. I'll just use with what I have for today. But the recipe involves you to use tomato paste because it becomes a little thick. The sauce becomes thick. So to this I'll add some salt. This is half a teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna add the red chili pepper. Yes, the coriander and the turmeric powder. So I'll fry this just for a few seconds. Then I'm gonna add the tomato sauce. So sometimes you gotta use what you have. You don't really have to stick to the recipe the way it is. Even these spices that I use, they really don't have to be exactly the way, like the exact measurement, the way I have done mine. So the sauce is now thickening up. And then to this, I'm gonna add 1 can of coconut milk. So I'm gonna cook this for about 10 minutes until the sauce is thickened up. So you just stir it, and when it starts to simmer, you cover it and cook it for about 10 minutes until it becomes thick. If it becomes too thick that it's sticking on the pan, you can add some little water. There's no harm in that, just slightly little water. Okay, I'm gonna cover this and let it simmer for about 10 minutes, and I'll be back. So after about 10 minutes, the sauce is ready, it's thickened up. At this point, I'm not gonna add any water. I just let it be this thick. Do you see how thick it is? Very delicious. So I'll squeeze in a lemon or lime. You can even squeeze in lime or lemon, whatever you like. Give it a good stir, and it's ready now. So next I'll show you how to do the shrimp. So I'll put this on the side, then I'll show you how to do the shrimp. So for the shrimp, I'll need to turn on the heat to medium, because once again I'm using the Salad Master cookware, and I can only use it on medium. I cannot use it on high. So after the shrimp has marinated, I'm gonna put it in my pan so I can start to saute it. So I'll just put it in here like so, then add a little oil on top, Then I'll saute it until it's ready, because it really doesn't take so much time. You don't need to use so much shrimp as I used today. You can even use only 2 pounds of shrimp, or half the amount that I used today. So it entirely depends on the amount of people you have to feed. So I'll be back. So I'll just pour in a little oil on top like this, and then I'll start to saute it until it's cooked. Shrimp cooks very fast. You don't have to overcook it. Once you start seeing it folding itself like so, and it's like pink in color, you know it's ready. I'll pour the sauce I had prepared earlier over the shrimp. You see, it's so thick and nice. So you just give it a slight stir like that, a little stir. See if the salt is enough. Delicious. So this is ready to go. You just cover it a little bit so that the sauce can simmer just for a few seconds, or like 2 minutes, between 1 to 2 minutes. Then you turn off the heat, because you don't want to overcook the shrimp. So I'm gonna serve the shrimp. Today I'm gonna serve it over rice. So this is how it looks like. Very delicious. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can comment and share with your friends. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Until next time, bye, and God bless you.